The political cauldron boiling in Karnataka. Moving on to Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana now, the counting of votes for Jammu and Kashmir elections will begin tomorrow, and ahead of the big day, all big parties, BJP, Congress, PDP and JKNC are in a huddle. PDP has hinted at an alliance with JKNC and Congress, where Farooq Abdullah has said it would be great for alliance if PDP joins it. Meanwhile, Union Home Minister Amit Shah held a high-level meeting with top BJP leaders discussing post-poll scenarios. Jammu and Kashmir BJP Chief Ravinder Raina has ruled out any alliance with the PDP and instead said that they are ready to join hands with independents.
मैं आपसे कहता हूं, अगर हमें जरूरत भी नहीं पड़ी हम तब भी लेंगे, क्योंकि अगर हम लोगों ने चलना है, इकट्ठे चलना है। इस रियासत को बचाने के लिए हमने सबने कोशिश करनी है। ये बड़ी मुश्किल में है ये रियासत, और काम बड़े सख्त है। यहाँ के बच्चों का हाल देखिए, पढ़े लिखे, सबसे बड़ी बड़ी तालीम है, दर बदर, महंगाई आसमान पे है, ड्रग मैनेस जो आज देखते हैं आप, उनकी हालत देखिए, सारे ठेके बाहर वालों के, आप रेत का एक चम्मच नहीं निकाल सकते।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी को विश्वास है कि जम्मू कश्मीर की जनता का जबरदस्त समर्थन भारतीय जनता पार्टी को जरूर मिलेगा। जिस प्रकार मोदी साहब की जनसभाओं में, अमित शाह साहब, जेपी नड्डा साहब और हमारे राष्ट्रीय नेतृत्व की जनसभाओं में ज़बरदस्त जन समर्थन हमें मिला है, मुझे विश्वास है कि बीजेपी सबसे बड़े दल के रूप में जम्मू कश्मीर में उभर कर आएगी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी और बीजेपी के समर्थन से जो इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स चुनाव लड़े हैं वो जीत के आएंगे और हम मिलकर सरकार बनाएंगे।
My colleagues Gursimran and Zeenat are joining us from Jammu and Kashmir. Gursimran, I would like to come to you first. What are the post-poll scenarios that the BJP is discussing right now?
See, when it comes to the Bharatiya Janata Party, it's Union Home Minister Amit Shah who has taken a meeting with the top functionaries of the BJP, and in this meeting, the point of discussion was the report that has been submitted by the G. Kishan Reddy and the Ram Madhav, both were the election in charges for the Jammu and Kashmir. And regarding this report that has been submitted, it says that the BJP will get somewhere around 30 to 31 seats in Jammu and Kashmir. The BJP's internal report says, the report also claims that the BJP will be the single largest party that will be coming after the results that will be announced tomorrow. And the National Conference will be somewhere around 25 seats. That is what the internal assessment of the BJP says. It also goes on to say that the parties like Apni Party, it will be somewhere around 3 to 4 seats. The Jammu and Kashmir People's Conference will be able to get 3 to 4 seats. They are also hopeful that some of the independents will be managed to get 4 to 5 seats in the Kashmir Valley. So on those 13 seats, the BJP is actually relying upon 12 to 13 independents, because two of the senior leaders, including Tarun Chugh, who happens to be the Jammu and Kashmir Prabhari of the BJP for a longer period of time, he has been in Jammu and Kashmir. And one leader from the Jammu and Kashmir BJP unit, he has been deputed to the Kashmir Valley. They will be camping in the Kashmir starting tomorrow, because Tarun Chugh has already reached the Kashmir Valley today, but the other leader that has been deputed will be reaching tomorrow after taking his certificate. What is expected that he will be a clear winner from the constituency where he is contesting, and then he will be heading to the Kashmir Valley. So these are the decisions that were taken in that meeting that was headed by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. And now what we are picking up, that the BJP will ensure that once they get the poll 1 position, that is they are the single largest party, then they will be contacting the other parties as well, including the Jammu and Kashmir Apni Party and the Jammu and Kashmir People Conference led by Sajjad Lone, because these two parties, though in the open domain they have not said that they will be going with the BJP, but the backdoor talks that are underway clearly hints that these parties are waiting for an opportunity from the BJP side, that in case BJP managed to be at the poll 1 position, then they have no hesitation to going towards them.
Right. Going across to Zeenat now. Zeenat, there's the Gupkar alliance in Jammu and Kashmir. Are we seeing Gupkar and Indy alliance coming together? Is that a possibility? This question after such statements have come from the PDP and the National Conference.
See, as far as the Gupkar alliance or the Indy bloc coming together, we see in the Lok Sabha polls also these people fought against each other, be it the National Conference or the PDP, and similarly that was the scene that was witnessed in state assembly elections where the National Conference were openly saying that PDP doesn't have any stand, the party doesn't exist anymore. That is why they don't want to keep an alliance with anything, with the PDP. But now they're seeing the numbers that are coming into the kitty of the National Conference alliance with the Congress, it seems that they will require a support from the parties or from the candidates. But now we see that the National Conference has said that they wholeheartedly accept the alliance offer that has come from the PDP. But PDP has kept their cards close to its chest, where the Mufti, Iltija Mufti, the daughter of Mehbooba Mufti, has clearly openly said that they will make an alliance with the secular party, but only that depends once the results are out. In case the National Conference and the Congress requires the figures, then there will be the threadbare discussions. PDP will keep its own terms and conditions. Will that be accepted by the National Conference and the Congress? Because earlier Omar Abdullah said that despite the alliance, we have been seeing that the Congress could not perform well in the plains of the Jammu. Though in Kashmir, the National Conference is quite confident that they will take the 80% of the vote share and the seats from the Kashmir Valley, where in Jammu they were banking completely on the Congress. But then seeing the factor of the BJP and the rallies that were done by the Prime Minister, Home Minister and all other leaders in the Jammu, they tried to revive the ground, though despite that there have been lot of narazgi inside the BJP cadre between the voters and the people on the ground. But will Prime Minister Modi takes the magic stage once again? That will be known tomorrow only once the ballot box are open, and see that how many seats the BJP will get in Jammu. Because earlier, because of 2014 elections, they were able to make an alliance with the PDP because of this being the single largest party coming from the Jammu. And now also needs to be seen that despite the 10-year rule, a decade rule in Jammu and Kashmir, directly after the abrogation of Article 370 in 2019, will BJP able to open the account in Kashmir Valley? Because we have been seeing all the political parties, the original ones, asking for the people to help them to get the votes, to keep the BJP away, from National Conference to Congress to PDP. Everybody has been asking the voters that they want the help of the voters only to keep the BJP away.
Right, Zina, thank you for that update. We are following the updates closely. Of course, the election coverage ahead of us tomorrow.